Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how to fix cellular issues on iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and tap on your settings of your mobile phone. Now in the search bar, search for reset. Now you will be taken to the reset option. Now go ahead and tap on get started. Now you will be appear with several options right here you can see on your screen. Now go ahead and tap on reset network settings. Once you tap on it, your device will ask you for your passcode. Simply type down the passcode. Once you have done that, your cellular issues will be reset on your iPhone and it will be fixed and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can fix cellular issues on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.